that B&M. What's up, everybody? Fat Boy Dan here. Check it out. We are out here right now. That's right. Look at that. Bass Pro Shops, Bill Dance. This is George Young. He's up here rolling up in it. Check it out.
Way higher size.
Bam, look at this. Wow, you know, I'm with a lot of fishing and Frank from Twisted Fishing right now. And of course, we're with my sexy camera girl back here. Woo, yeah, and me. Woo! But check it out, man. Look at them rims. Hey, them 20s. No, they 10s, but he's sure in the heck keep them clean.
Look at that helm up there.
Oh my God. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that. Is that the SS for the Super Sport? Wow. Man, look at that. You can stand up behind that thing. Got them big body windows, windshield wipers. Hey, that's looking like the mud duck right there. I'd take that. I'd straight build a cab off of that thing. Look at that XL.
Motor on that thing.
Look at that motor, man. Hey, what do y'all think about that? What do y'all think about that?
It's nice.
Nice? Is it nice?
Hey,
I like the boat too. It's probably out of my price range, major, but man, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful big live well, waterproof speakers, gun rails. Oh, oh, look. There we go. He got a flat. Got a flat, but you know what? He gonna see the video and he'll be like, oh my God, I got a flat. Look at the chrome. Chrome on my ride, from back side to side. Now we rolling in my ride. Bam. Look at that. That thing is massive. I'll tell you what, man. Check that out. But I'll tell you what, man, right there. That is a big XL boat. Very, very clean, very monster. There's George Young back on there with Bill Dance. George Young, Bill Dance go together. But I'll tell you what, man. Nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that fish finder up in there. Bam, Lowrance got everything, gauges, chrome. Look, it even got the little steering wheel so you can whip it, you know. 4 seats, drains in the bottom. This thing is looking clean as can be. And a big front casting deck. I mean, look at this. This deck, you could be up here alone, you could be fishing in. It's just crazy. I mean, this is a big boss of it right here. Woo, Diamond City Trailers. Oh, looks like the mud duck. Look, it's even got like when you got the water up there and you got the water come over, it's gonna drain out. Hey, it's looking clean. Look at that. All right, guys, there's a little sneak peek at the new XL 225 horsepower. Bam. We are out of here, guys. Right there, sneak peek of it. Bam. Suki powered. We're out of here. Y'all let the fish live. Fat Boy Dan's Great Outdoors. And we're in the great outdoors in the rain. Rain or shine, it's always fishing time. Y'all take it easy now, yeah? Y'all come back now, yeah?